How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know exactly what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything XRP. This right here is a very, very important update. We're not going to go into a lot of other details, just specifically talk about the price. If you are an XRP holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end because exactly what we discussed in our last few updates ended up happening. I kind of did not give you guys an update last night because I really wanted to see how the market plays out, and the things we've discussed did end up happening. You want to be paying very, very close attention to what's going on right now within the crypto market. So as we can see across the board, we're seeing tremendous amount of red right now. XRP also down. If you're looking at it on the dollar side of things, we're down about 3%, and on the Bitcoin side of things, we're down about 1.7%. Price is $2.06. Valuation at $121.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 2.4 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at what happened with the dominance. Exactly what we've been speaking about ended up happening for the dominance, and I really want you guys to take a look at the dominance on a daily perspective so you guys get a better understanding as to what I'm really saying. So dominance actually went up to a new yearly high. We went up to 65.8%. This was bound to happen. We're not surprised. On the Crypto ZX channel, we're not surprised about this at all. But if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin, guess what? Did break below the 103,000 key support line where we were yesterday, and I spoke to you guys about how this opens the door for us to go down to 100,000. And will you look at that? We actually retested the $100,000 price point just a few hours back. Since then, we have seen a little bit of a bounce, but pretty much, we are not where we want to see the Bitcoin price at. And right now, the chances of us retesting the $100,000, potentially even dropping below that, are quite high, unless, of course, we are able to reclaim back above 106,800. What's causing this? Obviously, there are some very, very important things that are happening around the globe. Not the best things you want to see happening, which of course brings in fear to the crypto space, and I think that is really playing a huge role in that as of now. So BTC right now is not where you want to see Bitcoin at. With the way the dominance is going, altcoins are literally seeing major bloodbath across the board. But in terms of an opportunity standpoint for long-term accumulators, I'm sure people are not complaining, because right now there's a lot of fear. Remember, there's a famous saying: be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. And the people that are being greedy right now, dollar cost averaging in right now, if you're looking at it even from a weekly perspective, you're seeing double-digit drop for the market. If you're looking at it from a monthly perspective, you're seeing 40 to even 50% for some coins. So in terms of an opportunity standpoint, the opportunity is definitely there. So smart money is accumulating, believe it or not. But right now there are some other things that we need to be focusing on. Right now, Bitcoin is not where we want to be. We're on a weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual. But XRP has done what we spoke about. And look at this. Of course, it's going to react to the broader market. We saw XRP going down to that $2 price point. We spoke to you guys about that last night as well. We went there, have seen a little bit of a bounce, but we're not in the 38.2. We're in the 0.50 fib zone right now. But as to be expected, the broader market is also seeing a retracement. I would love to see the price, continue to hold within the 38.2, but based off of what's happening with the market right now, I would not be surprised if the price of Bitcoin the price of XRP even retest $1.91. It's again something we've been speaking about over the last few days. But still, a lot of people over the XRP side of things tend to forget that XRP is one of the very few coins that's still holding much better than a lot of people expect. So we got to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. But yes, I would not be surprised if we do end up retesting $1.91, because there are some very serious things happening around the globe that we cannot ignore. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.